Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome and vanakkam to all my dear 11th standard students, boys and girls. Today we are going to see the 11th standard prose unit 2, The Queen of Boxing. The Queen of Boxing, written by Mang Chi Chung Nei Lang, Mary Kom. Mang Chi Chung Nei Lang, Mary Kom. The Queen of Boxing, written by Mang Chi Chung Nei Lang, Mary Kom. Unit 2, 11th standard prose. Before going to enter the lesson, we have to see the author about something. Mary Kom was a boxer. Naturally, she was a boxer. She belongs to Manipur state. She became world famous in World Boxing Championship. She won Olympic bronze medal in 2012. In school, she practiced hockey, football, and athletics. Inspired by Manipuri boxer Dingo Singh, who won gold at Asian Games in 1998, so Mary Kom chose boxing in her career. She won first medal of silver in Pennsylvania, USA, 2001. She won 6 world championships. She was honored Padma Shri in 2010, Padma Bhushan in 2013 for her wonderful achievement in sports. She wrote autobiography, it is Unbreakable, in 2013. Unbreakable in 2013. Okay, I have given you some 8 headings for you. Under each headings, I have to give some descriptions for you. All the 2 mark questions, maximum 2 mark questions are covered in this lecture. So please listen carefully, note the synonyms and the antonyms and the 2 marks also. First heading, entry. After the Bangkok Championship, selected 48 kg category, she came into enter International Boxing Association World Women's Championship in Pennsylvania, USA, November and December 2001. She won World Women's Championship in Pennsylvania, USA in November to December 2001. Second heading, financial support. Financial mean money support. Financial support. Just she had only 2000 rupees in her hand before going to enter the US trip. So to enter the US trips, she was knowing all the state expense with her friends, online and few students and elders. She met the MPs and collected rupees 5000 and 3000 respectively. For the arrangement of her trips, she needs some more financial support rather than just 2000 rupees in her hand. So she and her friends, students, elders met the MPs and the populace and collect rupees 5000 and 3000 respectively. Totally now she is having 10,000 rupees in her hand. Very determined not she determined not to return home empty hands. So she wanted to achieve something in US. Initial inhibition. Initial inhibitions. Inhibitions means obstacles. Bans. 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 தடைகள். Okay. Third heading, initial inhibition. On reaching Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania is in USA. It is a state. On reaching Pennsylvania, fascinated by its beauty, and the people were very nice there. First time she met the place and the people so far. It was the last team to arrive. I mean the team from or which carry Mary Kom to Pennsylvania is the last team to arrive. So she is in need of enter to straight in the arena from airport. From airport, she have to enter the arena straight because her team was the last team to enter into Pennsylvania arena. Arena means playground, arangam. So while traveling, as this is a new activity or habit for her to travel in the plane for a long time, she suffered a lot, jet lag also. So Mary wanted to have a day break. Enough rest she take. Enough take, she rest. When the leader announced that the team from India had its chance in the very next day. So Mary Kom relaxed. Mary Kom relaxed. Okay. She wanted to take some rest or break. By that, the whole day she take rest and relaxed. The next day, she won the first round easily. The teammates lost her one by one. She reached the finals and brimming with confidence. Brimming means to be full of something. To be full of something. Brimming with the confidence, she won the gold medal. As she won the gold medal. Magic moment. Next heading. Fourth heading, magic moment. Mary wanted to place to prove her identity. Wanted to place to prove her identity. The moment to change her life. The moment to change her life. Quarterly final. She became the winners against Nadia Hagmi from Poland, and the semi-final she became the winner against Joni Bihal of Canada for 21-9. But she was defeated by Hula Shagin of Turkey for a point of 13.5. 13.5. The reason is the loss of appetite. Appetite means hunger. Loss of appetite means pasinmai. She came down 46 kilogram weight. Her coach and friends consoled. Her coach and friends consoled. But she laughed for silver. She is the only one medal in the team valuable lesson. She is the only person who won the silver medal in the team. So it is the valuable lesson for Kom. Next heading, adapting, giving the advantage. Adapting, giving the advantage. In course of her career, she traveled many parts of the world, used different cultures, food habits, etc. In China, she used chopsticks comfortably and managed to set her appetite. After 5 years, when she take home, she packed food. Packed food. The next heading, red carpet welcome. Red carpet welcome. சிகப்பு கம்பள வரவேற்பு. On her return to India, especially Delhi, after the silver medal from Pennsylvania, the people of Delhi sports persons gave her a warm welcome, especially in the homeland of Impal, and arranged garlands and traditional welcome. So she won the acceptance speech. She gave the acceptance speech and she expressed hope to win the gold medal in future. Next heading, permanent relief from financial woes. She needed permanent source of income to travel all around the world and also to participate in all the competitions or in all the games. She needed much more money, so she wanted to strengthen her talent both economically and physically, so that the Manipur government offered her a sub-inspector post in 2005. A sub-inspector post in 2005, and they also permitted her, she need not come to the office every day. She need not come to the office every day. This is 2 more question answers, not that. Need not come to the office every day, so that she used the spare time for practices, and also the government permitted her to go out for her competitions whenever necessary. Next heading, disapproving the age-old belief. Disapproving the age-old belief. Mary Kom got married when the people said that she would not perform as good as she used to. Mary silenced her critics. She did not respond for the people's criticization. So she keep silence. Retaining the world title in Third World Women's Boxing Championship in Russia 2005, along with Satya Brands, India gave her a warm welcome, and her dream continued. From 2001 to 2004, she won several gold medals. Even after marriage, she won gold medals, and the third and the fourth women's boxing championship in October 2005 and November 2006. Last heading, christening of the queen. Christening means பெயரிடப்படுதல். Okay. On winning the number of international level championship in Taiwan, Vietnam, Denmark, and so on. In 2006, she won the world title. It was a memorable event for her. Dear most victory. As the competition held in Delhi, it seems a hunting ground for Indian boxers. 4 golds, 1 silver, and 3 bronzes. And the Indian team, won the overall title also. World Championship 2004, 2005, 2006. Mary was christened by the media the Queen of Boxing. Mary was christened by the media the Queen of Boxing and Magnificent Mary Okay, that's all. The lesson is over, dear students. கவனிச்சிருப்பீங்க, இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ்லாம் நோட் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. 2 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நிறையா இதில் அரெஸ்ட் ஆகிருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு அப்படி தான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ பி கேர்ஃபுல். ஓப்பன் த வீடியோ, read all the lines para by para, understand what is what. Then only you are able to write synonyms, antonyms, and then 2 marks. Okay, wish you all the best. Until then, bye bye. See you ever from ever your AR.